Fine, I'm going to open Selenium IDE pop-up window. So here so let me record a script here. Once we have been recorded with the script, I'll show you how to execute in a step by step all these features and all those things, so that we will discuss about the result. So okay, fine. Here already test case is being present here. Actions, I'm going to start recording option. So once the recording is going to be started. So here, this is a demo on public website where we can use it for our demo purpose, where we can use it for our practice purpose and all those things. So I'm trying to log into application. Sign in button. So it has been, oh sorry, what happened, I don't know this. Let us pass with this. So 1 second, it is been logging into the application. Yep, what happened to this again? Yep, logged in successfully. So I'm going to continue my recording option here. So here I have so many things. I want to update my profile. So just dummy mail I have given. So I have been submitted with this. So some issue is there, no need to bother about that. This is all about application issue, but our motto is to record the script and to execute the script. So I have been recorded the script. So did you understand what it has been saved and what it has been recorded? I want to know, like here the script has been recorded. So in what way the script has been recorded? Did you understand everything, how it is going to be displayed in this particular window, test case pane or command pane? Did you understand? So let me execute the same script again. So I'm going to execute the oh, you didn't understand. Okay, fine. So let me explain you the script one more time so that you'll be able to understand. Means I hope everyone is aware of the features what we have been discussed in the last session, in the previous session, right? So do you want me to repeat the features again, or do you want me to continue from here onwards? I'm going to close the same and I want to create one more script for you. So how to open Selenium IDE here is click on Selenium IDE pop-up or sidebar, anything is fine. So for our reference, I am going to select, I want to select pop-up. So I'm going to maximize this window. So initially it has to be in recorded mode, but in options we have been unchecked with the default option of that recording. Start recording immediately. So once I check this checkbox and I open this one, so automatically it will start recording option, right? Now I want to record a script where I can log into the application and log out from the application. This is what I need to perform, right? So how can I want to design a script where I can log into the application and log out from the application. So for that, below mentioned are the steps that needs to be executed. So what are those steps? First, open a browser. Second thing, enter a URL. Third thing, enter username. Fourth one, enter password. Fifth one, click on submit. Sixth one, wait until the system logs into the application. Last one, after login to application, log out from the application. So these are the steps that we need to follow. Any questions here? Okay. Now the same steps has to be followed by the Selenium IDE even. What is the difference between executing the steps what we are seeing on the screen and designing the steps what we need to design through Selenium IDE? Means whatever the steps that we want to execute, first we need to design, right? So to design those script, I am using one automated add-on, which is nothing but Selenium IDE, what we have been discussed since from last 3 to 4 sessions. Now I am opening this Selenium IDE where it will work only in Firefox browser, right? So I want to use this Selenium IDE for this public website. So still not yet started. So I am going to open Selenium IDE now. So this is what Selenium IDE icon. I am going to open Selenium IDE in a pop-up. We can use sidebar also, not an issue. So I am going to open this as a pop-up. By default, it is in a recording mode. So I haven't clicked on anything. By default, it is in a recording mode. For your reference, I am going to open the same thing again. Same thing again. So I'm going to maximize this one. So once we maximized, so the URL has been fetched automatically. I am going to start test case designing from here onwards. Okay, how to start test case design? Already we have been with the recording mode. No need to press any button. Just open your Firefox browser and refresh the URL. Once I refresh the URL, see here what will happen. Now I am going to enter the username Mercury, and I am going to enter the password here, Mercury. Clicking on sign in button. Once I click on sign in button, it is still in processing mode. See here, this is the open, this is type username, this is type password, and click and wait. So here what is happening? The script is being recorded in a stepwise what we are doing on that particular browser. What we are doing on the browser. What is that browser means? Only it works with Firefox add-on. Due to that reason, we need to design the script only in Firefox browser. We can't design the script in any other browser. So maybe this website is slow. I don't know. This is a public website. So let us wait for 1 minute and we'll see. Okay, let it be. So the website is itself is very slow. So I'm going to stop this recording. Did you understand till now? No? Okay, fine. Now I'll execute the same thing again. Same script, but it is in a slow mode. I'm going to execute the same script in a slow mode. So starting from this step, I'm going to click on run button. So I want to see the output. Here I can see the output. Here you are seeing that playing test suite untitled, and then open something it is been displaying, and executing type name is equals to username Mercury is the username value, and executing type name is equals to password and Mercury is the password, and executing the command click and wait name is equals to login. What it is displaying on the screen? What it is displaying on the screen? See here, first thing, open command. What is mean by open? What it is trying to open on the screen? It is trying to open this URL. It is trying to open this URL. The URL has been loaded successfully. Once the URL has been loaded, it is trying to enter the username in the username field. It is trying to enter username in the username field. What is the username means? Mercury is the username. Then what is mean by name is equals to username? From where we got this name is equals to username? From where we got this? Any idea? Any guess? Anyone? From where we got name is equals to username? In the earlier session, we discussed about the concept of locators. Every object or every field will have a locator in a HTML page. This locator can be identified by right click on that particular field and click on inspect element. Once you click on inspect element, you are going to get this particular name. Name is equals to username. If you see this highlighted area in the bottom of the screen, input name is equals to username, size is equals to 10, type is equals to text. Means here what is the field name where we are representing this field name is the concept. The field name will be represented by using this name. Is this the only one that we are going to represent the name? No, we have ID, CSS, XPath, different locator names will be there. Out of that, we are going to select the unique one. We are going to select the unique one. Here, when we are recording the script, Selenium IDE itself record with the default unique value. Due to that reason, when we are recording the script, Selenium identifies that name is the unique value what we have this particular field. Due to that reason, it is displaying name is equals to username. And what is the value that we are passing to that username field? The value is Mercury. What is the property of that field? Input is the property. What you are doing in that field? You are typing. Due to that reason, command is type. Again, the same thing for password. After that, if you click on this sign in button, what is this button name? The button name has been mentioned as login here. Due to that reason, it is been displaying name is equals to login. What is this click and wait? Once you click on sign in button, you have to wait for some time to log into the application. It may be 1 second, or it may be 2 seconds, or it may be a number of seconds. But when you give the command like click and wait and name is equals to login, there will not be any value. Why? You are not passing any data, just you are clicking on the button. Once you click on that button, you have to wait until the application is going to be logged in. Due to that reason, the command will be stated as click and wait here. But when we execute the script, it has been failed with one error. What is that error? Timeout error, which is 30 seconds, more than 30 seconds. Due to that reason, test case failed, and a suit is having only one test case. Because of that reason, complete suit is failed. Complete suit is failed. Let us execute it one more time. So did you understand now? Oh, you are very fast, Jyoti. Fine. So I am going to clear this log and I am going to execute the same thing one more time. So execute. So see here, it is executing the test case untitled, and I'll change that name even. So once I change that name, I'll show it to you how it is going to be displayed in this log window. Again, it is going to be failed. Why? Because it is taking more than 30 seconds of time to log into the application, which is not correct. Indirectly, we can say application is not responding. Means who needs to fix this issue? Developers has to fix this issue. Developers has to fix this issue. So you need to inform as per your bug tracking management or bug life cycle. So no need to worry about that. Just for our reference, I am going to save this test case. Sorry. I'm going to save with this name as test case 1. See here, I'm going to clear this one more time. If you observe this first line, playing test case untitled, it is showing. I'm going to clear this one now. I'm going to execute the same thing. So did you observe the change? Playing test case 1 is the name what we have been mentioned. One thing done. Now the second thing is, in our features, when we are discussing about the feature, we explained that by default Selenium IDE script will be saved in HTML format. This is nothing but HTML format. This is nothing but HTML format. Suppose I have been saved with the test case name as test case 1, right? Let us go to desktop once and we will see. See here, in what way it has been saved. If I'm going to open, it is trying to open through Microsoft. So this is the one what I have been designed. right? So again, I'm going to close this one, and again I'm going to open the same IDE again. Now clear the log, and we will see the next thing. So I'm going to pass this now. So once I click on pass, what will happen? See the error, interrupted. Means when I am trying to execute, you have been interrupted. Because of that reason, test case has been failed. Test case has been failed. So like that, we have different types of executions. Different types of executions. Now, I want to add one more step on top of it. I want to add one more step on top of it, like click and wait. Before click and wait, I want to add one more statement. How you are going to add one more statement? Insert new command. Clicking on insert new command, it will create one blank space. If you are capable to design the script manually, you can design through here. Just I want to give click option. Just I want to give click option. So where I need to click means, again I want to enter the same thing, name is equals to login, and there will not be any value, and there will not be any value. Understand? Any questions? Any questions? Now it's your turn to practice the Selenium IDE. So I'm going to give you this public URL. I think one moment, we have one more. We have one more website. I don't know this exact thing, but I'll share these details to you. But we will see this continue project. First, go with this practice one. Go with this URL for your practice, and then after that, we will see what are all the things that we need to continue with one single project. So this is the website. Username is Mercury. Password is also. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Okay. I'll show you the course content now. So maybe this we need to discuss in the first session itself, but one moment, guys. Sorry, guys. So is this visible now? So I'm going to show you like cucumber. Selenium along with Java framework. Sorry, Selenium with Java along with Cucumber framework. So the complete course content I'm going to show it to you now. So first thing is automation testing. Automation testing, what is mean by automation testing? And second thing is what is the use of automation testing, what we need to automate, what is Selenium, advantages of Selenium, what is the difference between Selenium and QTP. So I hope every first 6 concept has been covered. So does anyone have any doubts in this?